Have you ever built a slide that felt empty? Now imagine turning that same content into something that actually makes people stop and feel the message. I'll show you how to transform basic text slide into a powerful slide using just an image, a gradient shape, and the morph transition. So here's what I started with. 2 very simple slides. Just the title, a block of text, and a flag image placed next to it. Technically, correct. Visually, weak. There was no focal point and no emotional weight. It looks like a report, but here's exactly what I want to do. Part 1. Insert a strong background image. Now in left side menu, insert a new slide and delete these default text places. Then, from the Insert tab, add a full-width image. The image immediately becomes the emotional anchor of the slide. Now the slide has atmosphere. Part 2. Add a gradient overlay. Next, go to the Insert tab and draw a rectangle. Stretch the rectangle so it covers the entire slide. Right-click on a rectangle and select Format Shape. Under Fill, choose Gradient Fill. The default gradient doesn't work. The key is Direction. Change it and now select the first gradient spot. Change the color of this spot so it blends naturally with the image. Increase its transparency and decrease the brightness for this and other spots. Also, you can change their position until you feel good. Now duplicate the slide. Gradient must flow opposite the subject's visual weight. So I change the gradient direction of this shape in this new slide. And ta-da! This creates contrast, and contrast creates focus. Reuse the original text. I copied the original text from the basic slides and paste them in these slides. Part 4. Use Morph transition. Now comes the important part. Select both slides and apply the Morph transition from Transition tab. What happens? It feels intentional. And that's it. But this isn't just a design experiment. The content of these slides addresses reports of severe violence affecting civilians in Iran, with claims that over 40,000 people were killed within 2 days during government crackdowns. When you are presenting something this serious, a big slide reduces the weight of the message. Please be the voice of Iran and Iranian. Thank you so much.